Hello, my name is Sandeep and today we are going to see 8th experiment in data structures lab, that is implementation of hashing with collision resolution techniques. My aim is to implement hashing with the functions insert, search and display. Now I'll explain you about hashing. Uh, yeah, Hashing is a process of mapping the data item to hashing table with the help of hashing function. Yeah, now Uh, the hashing should also have the operations such as search, insert and delete. Yeah. Now a certain value is given, then it should be hashed into the hash table in a particular position. We'll use here hash function. That is, if we'll take an example of 11. If we take 11, it should be inserted into this hash table. This hash table is having 7 spaces. So 11 mod 7 is done and it is showing us 4. So 11 should be inserted at the fourth position. And if we take 21, 21 mod 7 is done and 0. So it should be inserted in the 0th position. Now we'll check the code for this program. Yeah, hash include IO stream. This is the header file that I have used, and standard namespace is used throughout the program. Now I have given here a of 10, that is 10 values. I have initialized this as zeros and in the integer format. Now this is the hashing function, void hashing int data. I have also given data in integer in this hash function. Now int pos is the position. If pos is equal to data mod 10, then a of position is equal to 0, and this a of position is the data, that is equal to data. Else else for int I equal to position plus 1 mod 10, I is not equal to position, I is equal to I plus 1 mod 10. If this is the condition, then this code will be executed. That is, if a of I is equal to 0, a of I is equal to data, and if I equal to pos, that is position, then the output should be shown as out of space. And then display function, this is the display function, void display. For int I equal to 0, I less than 10, I plus plus, that is starting from I and to the 10, I will be incremented, and the output will be shown as a of I. The value of I in a will be shown as the output. Void search, this is the search function, and I have given data, that is int data in search. Now int pos equal to data mod 10, and here we have also used index in integer form. If a of position is equal to 0, then it should show us the element is deleted. Else, if a of position is equal to data, then the element is not found, is found at index position, and that index position should be shown as position plus 1, that is pos plus 1. Else, for int I equal to position plus 1 mod 10 and I not equal to position and I equal to I plus 1 mod 10, then if a of I equal to data, then the output should be as the element is found at a particular position, that is I plus 1. And if I equal to pos, that is position, then the output should be element not found, because in this particular situation the element will not be found in the output. Now we'll enter to the main program. Here I have given x, z as integers, and I should ask the user to enter the array. That is, we'll take 10 elements starting from 0 and less than 10, and then I will be incremented. Then cout input. The input given by the user is taken into x and hashing is done, that is hashing of x. So that after this the hashing is done and it will be displayed to the user. Now we'll use the display function, that is display here, and it will display display such as enter the number to search, and this will be stored in z. And at last search of z is done, this function is done for searching, and then the number is searched we can also search the next number for this program. Now let's check the output. Yeah, now the output is asking to enter the array. I should enter 10 elements, so I'll enter 1, 4, 5, 6, 9, 8, 7, 4, 2, 0. Yeah, these are the elements that I have entered, and this is after the hashing, and this is the array of hashing. I have given 1 in the starting, 4 next, and 5, and so on. But after hashing, it is given as 4, 1, 2, and so on. Now it is asking to enter a number, and then it will search the particular position of that number, and it will be given in the output. Let's enter 4. Yeah, the element is found at index position 5. That is, now we'll check this is 0, 1, 2, 3, and this is the fifth position of the index. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. If I enter 1, it should show the position 2. Yeah, this is the second position that I have given. My program is working successfully. Thank you.